Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I have an amazing recipe for you, and it is the 1 minute choco chip cookies recipe. Oh my god, it tastes absolutely delicious, and as I said, 1 minute and you are done. And guys, this is without eggs and without an oven. So let's begin with our process and see how to make these delicious cookies. So guys, to make these mouth-watering choco chip cookies, we are going to need about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you don't have unsalted butter, you can use the regular salted butter, which is the normal Amul butter. And now to the butter, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of room temperature milk. And then we are going to add 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, which I've blended. Now if you don't have brown sugar, you can always use the regular white sugar. And now we are going to mix it till the time the sugar, milk and the butter gets combined with each other. And once you are done mixing this properly, then the slurry will become a little bit thick. And guys, if you're using whole sugar, then make sure that you mix it till the time the sugar is completely dissolved with the butter and the milk. And now once we are done mixing, we are going to start adding all the dry ingredients, starting with 2/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of maida, which is all-purpose flour, followed by a pinch of salt. Now if you're using salted butter, then please go ahead and skip this step. And then we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Once we are done with adding all of our dry ingredients, I'm also going to add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. And now let's mix everything in. And once everything is nicely mixed in and our dough is ready, then I'm going to divide this dough into 2 equal parts. I'm doing this because I'm going to show you how to make these cookies using choco chips as well as choco chunks, which is the chocolate chunks. So if you don't have choco chips, you can just cut up pieces of chocolate that you have in your house. You can even use Cadbury chocolate and then mix it with the dough. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. So once we have divided the part, let's put this other part into a different bowl, and then let's add choco chips in one of the bowl. You can add as much as you want, and then I'm going to add the chocolate chunks into the second bowl. And now let's mix everything together. Once everything is mixed in, then it's time for us to give it a nice flat round shape. So make it as smooth as possible, rolling it into your hands and then press it down, giving it a cookie shape. Now guys, you can give it a square shape, you can give it a star shape. I'm simply giving it a round cookie shape. And guys, I've taken a plate and I've kept a parchment paper on top of it. You can always use some butter paper as well. And I'm going to land this cookie on top of that parchment paper. And now I'm adding some extra choco chips on top of my cookie. You can skip this step, but honestly guys, the more choco chips, the better it is. Isn't that right, guys? And now simply take the second, which is the choco chunk cookie dough, and make it into a cookie. And similar manner, we are going to add some additional choco chunks on top of this cookie, and then it's time for us to microwave it. And the anticipation is killing me, guys. So in goes my choco chip cookie into my microwave for 1 minute. And guys, all microwaves are different, so sometimes you might just require 1 minute to 1 minute 15 seconds and not a second longer. And here comes my cookie out. Look at that monster choco chip cookie, guys. Now all we need to do is put the second cookie in for again just a minute and wait till the time that minute is over, and then we are going to remove that out and let it cool for about 5 to 6 minutes. And when the cookie comes out, guys, it's very soft. It becomes hard once it cools down and comes down to room temperature. And here both our cookies are ready and they are nicely cooled. It took about 6-7 minutes for it to cool down. And here I'm removing the parchment paper. As you can see, it comes out very, very easily. And it's time to bite into these bad boys, guys. These are looking so, so, so delicious, and my house is smelling so amazing. The cookie baking smell is absolutely like intoxicating. And now here I go. I cannot wait any longer. I'm taking a big bite. And guys, you got to make this. I don't want to hear any excuses. It takes just 1 minute. Can you beat that? Why go for store-bought cookies when you can make them right at home in a minute? And make this recipe, to share your comments and to share this recipe link with your friends and family. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.